Hey there. Are you moving, decluttering, or just need to temporarily store your Nectar mattress? In this guide, we'll show you how to store Nectar mattresses safely and efficiently to ensure it remains in pristine condition for future use. Let's keep your sleep sanctuary intact while mastering the art of mattress storage. Step 1. Clean your Nectar mattress. Before storing your Nectar mattress, it's crucial to clean it thoroughly. Begin by removing the bed linens and washing them separate. Vacuum the mattress surface to remove any dust, dirt, or allergens. For any stains, use a mild detergent mixed with water and gently blot the affected area using a clean cloth. Avoid soaking the mattress, as moisture can lead to mold or mildew. Once clean, allow the mattress to air dry completely in a well-ventilated room before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Protect your mattress with a cover. Once your Nectar mattress is clean and dry, it's time to protect it using a mattress cover or bag, ideally waterproof and breathable. This step is essential to safeguard your mattress from dirt, moisture, and pests during storage. Ensure the cover or bag fits snugly to prevent damage during transit. For added protection, consider sealing the entire package with heavy-duty tape, paying special attention to the zipper or closure area. Step 3. Choose the right storage location. Choosing the right storage location is vital to maintaining the integrity of your Nectar mattress. Aim for a climate-controlled environment, such as a storage unit or a spare room, to avoid extreme temperature fluctuations. Avoid storing your mattress in damp basements, attics, or garages, as these locations are prone to moisture buildup and pest infestations. Proper ventilation and consistent temperatures will help preserve the mattress's materials and structure. Step 4. Position your mattress properly. When storing your Nectar mattress, position it flat to prevent any long-term structural issues. Storing it flat maintains the integrity of the internal foam layers and prevents sagging. If limited space compels you to store it standing on its side, make sure it's supported properly to avoid leaning or bending, which can affect its shape over time. Periodically, checking and adjusting its position can also aid in maintaining its original form. Step 5. Avoid heavy items on top. In storage, avoid placing heavy items on top of your Nectar mattress. Doing so can cause permanent indentations or misshape the mattress. Instead, keep the area clear to preserve airflow and prevent unexpected damage. Lightweight items such as bedding or pillows may be stacked on top, provided they do not exert excessive pressure. Proper storage of your Nectar mattress ensures that it remains in excellent condition, ready to provide you with relaxation and comfort whenever needed. By cleaning, covering, choosing the right location, positioning correctly, and avoiding excess weight, you'll extend the life of your mattress and maintain its quality. Keep these steps in mind, and when it's time to bring your Nectar mattress back into action, you'll enjoy the same cozy sleep experience as before. Happy storing and even happier resting.